Cohey praise toys.
Look at all of these surprise boxes. What's all of these right here?
I think that's a bucket.
What do you think it is?
I think it's prizes.
You think it's prizes?
Yeah.
What kind of prizes?
In the box.
Should we start by opening the first one?
Yeah.
What one should we open first? The slime one?
Yeah.
That looks like there's a lot of slime in there. Oh no, what do you think it is?
I think.
Oh, let's open it up. Ew!
Okay. Let's bring it out of there.
Okay, take it out of there.
Oh,
Whoa, look at all that slime.
what's in here?
I don't know. Looks kind of crazy.
It's,
What's that? Is that gecko?
no. It's Poppy's blind bag.
Wow, look at that.
That's Poppy's blind bag.
It's a PJ Masks blind bag.
Let's get that all this slime in that.
Yeah, let's get all that slime off. Should we open it up and see what's inside of it? Who do you want it to be?
I want my ninja.
Night Ninja?
Yeah.
Okay. The Series 1 PJ Masks blind bag. Who'd you get?
I got a Romeo.
Romeo!
I got the same
Ha
time.
ha ha
I
ha!
got the same time, Daddy.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I love Romeo. He's awesome. Romeo's crazy, huh?
I want to get this
Oh,
one.
what's in here?
It's Skittles.
Look at all those candies. Should we dump it out and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Looks like there's some hairs in there. What do you think it could be? Whoa, who's that? Who are those people? Who'd you get? Whoa, Fuzzbert.
I look at all the Skittles in it.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Do you think Fuzzbert wants to eat a Skittle?
I want Skittles.
Mmm, that looks tasty. Let's put, is this Poppy?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Hi guys, super cute Poppy. Her pink hair and her blue dress. Let's put her by Fuzzbert. Alright, which one should we open next?
This one.
Oh, cool. Look at these. Are those gumballs?
Yeah.
What do you think's inside of there?
What's the bit out?
Okay. Who's that? Look at all these trolls. Which one's that one? That's the pink-haired one, huh? That's not Poppy, though. Is it Chanel? If you can guess who this troll is, leave it in the comments section, and you could win a blind bag Trolls prize.
Open that one.
Okay, look at all this candy. We're running out of room. Okay, dump her out. Whoa, who's that blue? Is that a Skittle? A blue Skittle?
I think it's Branch right there.
That's Branch.
Look out this.
Whoa! Look at Branch, his hair's crazy. Tickle, 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 tickle. Look at all that candy. Should we put Branch inside the candy to hang out?
Yeah.
Oh, you're having another Skittle. Okay, what's this one? Should we open this one next?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out. Pop the lid. Oh, what's in there? Is that a Mash'em?
Yeah.
Whose hair's that? Whoa. Cool. We got a Trolls keychain. Some tattoos. Do you want a tattoo? We'll have to get some tattoos, huh? Some Trolls tattoos. And who's that?
And Fuzzbert.
Fuzzbert. Who's your favorite?
Fuzzbert.
Fuzzbert's your favorite, huh? Oh, look! A bracelet!
Okay.
Do you want to wear the Trolls bracelet? Here, let's see your wrist. Or should we put it on Guy Diamond? We'll put it on Guy Diamond. Now he's wearing an awesome necklace. Yeah, let's open this one. What's in there? Ew! Is that a grocery store yuck bar?
Yeah.
Oh, let's dump out all the candy.
Let's open it.
Okay. let's open up the grocery store yuck bar and see what's inside.
Ew.
Okay, we got a chocolate bar so far. A flyer. Okay, should we open these blind bags? Are you gonna help me open them?
Yeah.
Okay, Cohey, let's see. Alright, tell me who that one is. Ew, is that a rotten apple? Ew, don't get me with it. Hey. Yeah, rotten apple. Or is that a strawberry? Ew, that's a strawberry. Let's put them on the Skittles. Yeah, let's see what we got in our last one. Oh, what's that one?
Ew.
Ew. That one's scary. What's its name? Oh, that's Stinky Aftershave. Stinky Aftershave. Do you like him?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Look at all those Skittles. So many.
Why